I started a garden because I wanted to live more naturally, and I also wanted to be able to teach my daughter how to grow her own food. And in order to teach her, I must learn. There is so much to learn about gardening, and that's what makes it so interesting and fun. It's like each plant has its own personality, and every time you plant one, it's like you become the creator. Actually, you are the creator. You are in control of making sure it has what it needs. It becomes your little baby, your little plant to nurture and to take care of. And then, if you do everything right, it rewards you with the gift of life. Because most of the time, in that gift is the opportunity to grow more and create more. And that's what I love. Growing, growth, planting seeds and watching them mature and grow into beautiful, beautiful plants. My goal is to fill my entire backyard with plants. Right now, I only have one raised bed garden, but as we learn more, as I learn more, and I plant more, it will grow. That's how life works.